This is today's project. I had a request from a customer who would like to build a farm style table out of black walnut. So he requested 2-inch thick slabs. I'm going to probably overcut them maybe by 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 inch, maybe 2 1/4, and 10 feet long and approximately somewhere around 8 inches wide. His end table's trying to be about 40 inches wide, so 8, would be 5 boards. So I'll probably cut them a little bit wider than 8 so you could trim them up after they're dry. And the length on this is 10 foot, about 10'6" or so. So I'll give him a little extra, and then they'll probably breadboard the ends anyway, so he's going to get another foot of length out of the breadboard ends. The large end of this log here is 23 inches, and it tapers down to approximately 18 inches on this side. So I'm taking a look at it. It's pretty decently round, so I should be able to get an easy 12, almost 12 by 12 inch cant or so. All I really need is a 10 by 10 cant, so that's what I'm going to be shooting for. The blade's pretty dull right now, I would assume, so I'm going to just try to cut the bark off with the dull blade, and then once it stops cutting good, I will switch over to a fresh blade. So that's what we got today. So follow along, and I'll keep you posted as it goes. All right, so here is the cant all squared up. It is 9 inches wide, 12 inches tall. So I will just go with 2-inch boards all the way down on this guy here, and then wrap it up. It looks like it's about starting to rain, so hopefully I will beat the rain. It's looking pretty good. It was a little bit of a bear to wrestle this guy around, but I got it done. So I'll throw you on the time lapse, and we'll chop this up and get out of here. Okay, that wraps this log up. You can see the grain is really beautiful on this. So there ended up being 2-inch by 9 inches wide. Got them all loaded up here into the back of the truck, and I'll be able to, he'll either pick them up or I'll deliver them to him. This was a little bit of a challenge, being that the log was so big. Earlier in the video you saw that the tractor really, it isn't all that strong, so I couldn't pick it up with the forks. I had to strap it to the bucket with the chains, and we got her on there. It's a little bit of a wrestling around. You can see my offcuts. It looks like I'm wasting a lot, but really there's not much here. it's a little bit, it tapers down to nothing toward the middle. So these ones will go to firewood, but the rest of it is beautiful. So thanks for watching on this one, guys. This table probably won't happen for quite some time because he's got to dry this wood first. So once the wood is dry and when this guy makes the table, maybe I'll revisit it in a year or two, however fast the wood dries. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video.